How to recover WhatsApp you once photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to recover WhatsApp you once photo. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right and select settings option. Scroll down. Look for storage and data and scroll down and tap on manage storage at top of your screen. Now choose the chat where you have got the view once photo. So here you can easily view the view once photo that you have got and access it. If you do not get that way, you can easily back up all your datas from the chat backup by going to chats, selecting chat backup and backing off the datas. After that, you will easily recover WhatsApp view once photo. If not, comment below. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.